Today's video, I want to show you how to work with page layout, specifically to any um, records. And I know I have a couple standard objects in this case, and I will go play with account. Currently, when I go click any of records in account object, under details section, I can see the fields, availability of fields, and how it's all structured, right? So we also have the related, and we know that under related, this is all related objects related to that specific object, in this case accounts. So I do want to modify and create a new page layout for my accounts. I'm gonna be showing it to you in this video. So let's directly jump in, and the way we do it, we have to go to the backend, setup, object manager, search for accounts, click on that, and then here on the left section you can see everything related to account object, and the one which we're looking for is page layout, right here. Let's click that. Currently I have a couple various page layouts. I have the main one. I have a page layout for external record type, and then for other on default that were given to me. I know in order to find out which page layout is assigned to which record type or what profile, you can click it on and you can find it under this section. I have also created a couple videos where I'm talking about record types. So let's in this case create a new page layout for my account, and I will name it YouTube tutorial. I can copy this from existing page layout, but for now I just want to keep it and start from scratch. Let's click save. Okay, so this is all about the page layout, what we want to display, right? This is all fields we can drag and drop right now, and let's do actually drag and drop couple. For example, I will drag account source. Let me click. So currently I have account name and parent account already displayed here. The reason why account name is already here, it's because it's required, and required for automatically will be on page layout. So I'll drag account source. I will drag created by. I also have a this functionality called section. I can drag it underneath here, and this is the way you can actually customize your section. You can do a 2-column or 1-column. If you do the 2-column, it basically will have your buttons or fields will be displayed from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like not a like a n letter, right? So let's keep this as 1-column. Section name will be optional. I'll click save, and I'll drag more fields. So facts, account sign, and employees. Okay, let's also drag the phone, and you can see that they're aligning in as 1 column because my section only will allow columns in 1 line, unlike the top one, which will allow me 2 columns, right? Okay, let's go ahead and save. So here now I have my page layout called YouTube tutorial, right? So in order to assign this to record type in my profile, you have to click page layout assignment. and I have a currently master and internal record types. And you can see on the left section, you have all the profiles, right? And record types on the right. And I have master and internal. Based on what profile, like I can basically differentiate page layout for each profile. Okay, so I'm looking for my sysadmin. In this case, it's assigned to account layout, which is on default. I'll click edit. This part is a little bit tricky, so make sure you guys save things properly. Sysadmin. Let's look for YouTube tutorial page layout. And then once I click that, I need to click on this section, see? And this turns purple. So I can actually multi-select it, right? So for sysadmin profile, I am highlighting both of this page layout, and now here I'm assigning page layouts, right? Do you guys get it? If not, just put your questions in the chat or in the comment section so I can clarify. Cool. Let's go ahead and save that. Now you can see that my sysadmin profile has YouTube tutorial as a page layout for both record types. Cool. Good. So let's test it out. I'm on a sales app. I'll go refresh. Sometimes it takes some time for fully synchronization. I'm on accounts. Let's click bureaus, details. Oh, here we go. Now you can see what this is page layout that we wanted to see. And then we see account name, parent account, and then this optional section that we dragged, and all the fields that are optional as one column are here. Okay. So guys, let's recap. And so in this video, we again talked about page layout, and I did show you how to create a page layout and assign it to my profile, which is sysadmin. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. I'm trying to keep the video pretty short. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. Thank you.